Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back and hello if you're new here. My name is Kait. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I got in the Buxom White Russian collection, which is brand new, available in stores at Ulta starting today, and it has been available online for the last week or so. The Buxom White Russian lip gloss has been like a pivotal product in my makeup bag, and so I can't believe they finally came out with a full collection that is centered around this lip gloss and the pretty pink color that is White Russian. So I'm going to unbox everything for you guys. I'm going to do a little swatching, do a look with all of the new products, so stay tuned if you want to see. All right, so the new White Russian collection features 4 pieces that are all about serving up a full face of Buxom's iconic shade White Russian. For those of you guys who may not be familiar, the White Russian Full Plumping Lip Cream Gloss is what Buxom is basically known for. So the fact that they have come out with a full collection that is centered around this beautiful pink shade is so exciting to me. I'm such a pink girl. I love shades of pink. I'm always grabbing for shades of pink. White Russian is one of the prettiest colors and a go-to of mine. So now that they have a full face collection that is centered around this perfect pink color, like I could not be more happy about it. So let's get into everything. In the collection, we have a cheek and eye palette. So there's 2 new shades of the Wonderlust blushes, which if you haven't tried those, they're amazing. I've raved about them before. The formula is to die for. They are truly some of the most pigmented blushes that I've ever used. So we have 2 new shades in this palette. I wanted to show you guys the packaging before I just opened everything up, and then we have a variety of eyeshadows that come in it as well, and it says that it's a variety of shimmers and mattes too. So love that. This is the eyeshadow packaging. This retails for $39. Then we have the staple, the Full Plumping Lip Cream in White Russian. This is the packaging that it comes in for this collection, and this retails for $21. Then, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to even open this. We get a White Russian lipstick. I already love Buxom's lipstick formulas. They are just to die for. They're really creamy and hydrating. I did a review on their 90s Nudes collection. The formula is just perfection. They really did a great job with it. And this is going to be $20. It says that it's a creamy full coverage lipstick that visibly plumps and smooths lips for an ultra lush finish. And I believe every word of that. And then also cannot wait to tear into this. They came out with a White Russian highlight. From the photos that I've seen of this so far, this looks absolutely stunning, and this is going to retail for $24. It says it's instant radiance for a lit from within glow, which is my favorite. I'm just very much drawn to products that have that sort of finish and give that look. So let's go ahead and just open everything up. And I know I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but everything is available in store at Ulta now, starting today, January 3rd. So it's been online, but for those of you who want to go see it in person or do want to go just in store to shop in general, it's going to be available now. Everything is so stunning. I could not be more excited to use all of this today. So actually, I'm gonna start with the iconic lip gloss since this is the product that everything is based around. This is the White Russian gloss, and it comes in special packaging. Typically, it would come in their like silver sort of packaging, but for this collection, we have the pretty pink on it and like the rose gold branding, and I absolutely love that. And I'll go ahead and just swatch it for you guys so you can see. And then of course I'm going to use everything in my look today, so you will see it then as well. But here's the gloss swatched on my hand. It's just the perfect nudie sort of white pink. Love. With that, I'll just go into the lipstick. Here is the lipstick packaging. It has Buxom in the pretty pink color and is in their signature silver sort of 10 with the lips embossed on the lipstick. So pretty. I die. I feel like this is going to be my new go-to lipstick shade. Oh, I don't even want to swatch it because it's just like so fresh and perfect, but here we go. Oh, yes. So here is the lipstick. Again, just that like perfect pink shade. All right, next I'll show you guys the highlight. It comes in the same sort of packaging that the Wonderlust Primer Infused blushes do. I really like this packaging a lot, how it has the Buxom emblem on it, and then it's just clear so you can see exactly what's inside. And this looks so pretty. It's like a muted sort of pearly pink. It seems really buildable. Oh my God, just wanted to see it in the mirror, but I absolutely love the finish of that. And I feel like you could use this as a highlight, you could use it as a shadow. It would probably be gorgeous as an inner corner color, all the things. And then here is the palette taken out of the box. So same sort of packaging as the outside. And then we have a gorgeous mirror, and there is the actual inside of the palette. So you have your 2 blushes over here with the 2 new shades, and then you have 6 shadows, and I really love the shade range. These could be super natural, or you could do more sultry looks with them. So into it. And the shade names of the 2 new blushes are Moscow and New York. Now that I've kind of gone through and shown you guys the full collection and everything that comes in it, I'm gonna go ahead and start with an eye look and actually use the products. So I don't really feel like there is much of a transition shade per se in the eyeshadows that are given, which is totally fine. That doesn't bother me at all. I'm just going to take a little bit of my bronzer to do that. I like just to have more of like a neutral sort of transition color to start, and then work my way into the like pinky tones that this has and sultry tones. So we'll do that. Haven't really decided what kind of look I'm gonna go for, so we will see. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Decadent. It's this matte, kind of like mauve-y rose color. I really like the shade of it. Maybe like a dusty rose, is that the name for it? But I'm gonna take this and put it on my outer corner and then just kind of work that into the middle of my eye. I think I'm gonna go for like a soft sort of glam look. This is so pretty. I thought about using this as a transition shade, and I totally think that you could, but with this being my first time using it, I wasn't sure how pink it was gonna turn out, and I didn't wanna go for like a super pink look, if that makes sense. But I really like the shadow formulation. I think it's really pretty. And I like how it's blending and going on and everything. I've built that up to where I want it for now. I might go in and deepen it, but right now I feel like it's good, it's wearable, it's where I like it. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Indulge, which is this pretty sort of like rosy, shimmery shade. And I'm gonna take that just on my finger. Oh my God, this looks so gorgeous. And I'm gonna put this on my lid. Okay, this is freaking stunning. This might be my new favorite eyeshadow shade like ever. The tone is so good. I don't feel like it comes off too pink, and it's buttery. So now that I am all glitzy on the lid, I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Reveal, and I can't really tell, it looks a little bit shimmery, but I'm not exactly sure how shimmery it's gonna be. But I'm gonna take this on just a pencil brush and kind of put it in my inner corner. My thought process is that it would brighten it up a little bit, but I'm not sure how much. Yeah, it definitely does like a little brightening. It's a little darker, I guess, than what I was thinking, but it's still really pretty. I might go in with the highlight though and add a little bit extra, but overall this was the look I was going for. So I do really like how this is coming together. It's looking really nice. Just gonna take a fluffy brush and brush away any extra powder. And take a look. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I was debating on if I wanted to take either of the two darker shades and deepen the outer corner a little bit, but I actually don't think I'm going to. Instead, I kind of want to take this darkest shade, which is called After Dark. It's like a sparkly sort of purple color, and I think I'm going to use that as my liner. I think that will be super pretty, and it'll give it some more depth without being like, I don't know, just too dark or smoky of an eye look overall. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on a winged liner brush and go to town. Ooh, that's pretty. This is so nice. I feel like the formula is just like really rich and it goes on so smooth. All right, so I'm super happy with that. I think it's really pretty, and I think that the darker sort of purpley shade just was a really nice touch. And again, it gives that wing, it gives a little bit of like a smoky feel without being too overpowering. So love that. So far, I love the shadows. I think that they are beautiful. I'm gonna finish up my eye look, and I can't decide which mascara I'm gonna use, but I'm definitely gonna use one of Buxom's. I'm either gonna use their lash mascara or I'm gonna use this Extrovert mascara. Both are amazing, and I felt like this was just fitting to use one of theirs. And then I'll come back and we can finish off the face and try out the lip products. I forgot how much I love both of those mascaras. I ended up using both as well. I used the black lash mascara first, and then I coated the Extrovert mascara on top. For those of you who are interested, I love layering mascaras, and I feel like this is a really nice combo. It really fluffs out the lashes, gives a lot of length and volume, which is great. But let's go ahead and get some blush on our face. I'm very excited to try these two out. I've been going back and forth on which one I want to use out of the two shades, and Moscow is honestly calling my name the most, I think. It's the lighter pink. I just really love the shade of it and the color, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna start off with a really light hand just because if this formula is like the Wanderlust blushes, which it's supposed to be, they're pretty pigmented, so I don't want to pack on too much and look like a baby doll. Yeah, you can already see it. That is stunning. I really like this color. I feel like it adds a super nice flush to the cheeks and some warmth, but I feel like if you start off using a light hand like I am, it doesn't come off too pink and baby doll-esque, if that makes sense. So I've been like loading up the blush on my nose lately. I don't know why, I'm just into the look. And then I always just do quick little dusting on my forehead as well. I like the look of that too. But this is really pretty. Love the color. Would definitely grab for this and use this regularly. I have the full Wanderlust blush collection, and it's beautiful. I love all the shades in there. I think that there's about 7, but there's not really like a true pink like this in there. There's a lot of different variety. My favorite has been Mykonos, which is more of like a corally pink, but in terms of like a baby like blush pink, there isn't one. So it's nice to have this as an option, and it's definitely something that I know I will regularly use. And I'll have to save the shade New York for another time, but we'll definitely share that with you guys when I do finally use it. Now we will move on to this gorgeous highlight, which I'm so excited to slather on my face. I think I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's a go-to of mine, and I love the way that this applies highlight. So I'm gonna use it for this. Oh yeah. So I like how this is buildable too, and it can be really soft. Like it doesn't have to like right out the gate be this super blinding, overpowerful highlight. And it has like this nice subtleness to it, if that makes sense. Basically that glow from within look that they mentioned in the description. I definitely feel like this lives up to that. But I really like the shade of it too. I always go back through with my blush brush to just kind of blend. I definitely feel like it's kind of on the pearly pink side. I definitely don't feel like it is too pink at all. It does kind of lean towards the like pearl family in terms of shades and colors. So I really like that. I think it's beautiful. It's definitely very wearable too. Next we can move on to the lip products. I do think I'm gonna start off with some liner though. No, I'm a liner girl, so I'm just gonna line my lips really quickly. And the liner that I used is Cream and Sugar by Marc Jacobs, one of my all-time holy grail and favorites. But I just felt like this color would complement the White Russian lipstick really well. So let's try it out and see. I told you guys, the formula of these, chef's kiss, makeup artist kiss, I don't even know. But it's really good and I just love it. Seriously, like my signature color. This is like my perfect pink. I am obsessed. I think this is beautiful by itself. It doesn't even need the gloss, but obviously we can't not add the White Russian lip gloss on top. So let's go ahead and finish our look with this. Oh my God. They look so good together. It just kind of adds a little bit more creaminess and like plumping. So, you know, I'll take it. I gotta say, I am a fan of this combo. I love all of these pinks together. This is very up my alley, very me. Definitely a collection that I feel like was made for me almost. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little first impressions and unboxing of the Buxom White Russian collection. I will link everything that I used down below. You can shop it online at Ulta, at buxom.com, and don't forget, it's now in stores at Ulta too. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you coming back, and if you're new, I definitely hope you'll stick around and stay. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. But love you guys so much. Thank you again, and until next time.